Okay, what we're doing is we're testing different fire retardant coatings on a tire. This is an older tire, just regular black tire. Some of the paint is dripped from when I was applying it, but we'll do the same tire, different applications or different areas that we've treated. We'll be holding a torch about 1500 degrees, maybe a little bit less, 1400 to 1500 degrees, 6 inches away from the surface of the tire for about 30 seconds. So we'll be holding about right there. And we'll just be comparing the different coatings one to the other. Okay, we'll be holding this torch about 6 inches from the surface right there. This is an untreated section, just regular tire, about 1400 degrees. See, it's starting to catch really right along the edges. Coming down. Okay, that was 1 minute. You see at about the 40-second mark it started to flare. Now if we kept it on there longer it would engulf. Tires are rather difficult to ignite, but once you do get going they are very tough to extinguish. This coating is the Dura Series 4. This is actually a clear coat Intumescent. Normally if you put it on wood or absorbent materials it will be a clear coat. Because this is rubber, on actual application it's opaqued up, but we'll go ahead and try it just for the sake of demonstration here. Okay, again 60 seconds, 6 inches from the surface. 1, 2. Time. Okay, that actually did a really good job. There's no visible bubbling, but we did get any flame, and it actually did a really good job, so I'm very happy with that. Okay, this coating, this is an Intumescent paint. Obviously very opaque paint. It's used as essentially as a primer. This is called TPR2 FE10 or FE10, and again we'll hold it 6 inches from it, butane torch for 60 seconds. Okay, that was 60 seconds. You can see the paint did start to intumesce. That's what this is, the bubbling. Essentially it forms a barrier of char. This is not the tire that you see here, that's actually the paint that when the heat reaches the paint and gets it to a certain point, it starts bubbling and expanding and forming a layer of char that protects the substrate, in this case the tire. So the the paint actually burns, and that keeps the tire from burning. This is the TPR2 FE10, did a really good job on it. Okay, this is another intumescent paint from a manufacturer called Contego. This black on here is normally white. This black is just from turning the tire around. Again, this is another intumescent paint. This is Contego, multiple ratings. It's one of the top in the country, just like this is. Again, we'll hold it 6 inches, butane torch, about 1400 degrees. 1, 2, Okay, 60 seconds on this. Again, you can see it did the same thing. It intumesced right where it was. There's no flame, no spread, very little smoking. Made a good expansion to create the char level. Really, any three of these products I think would work just fine.